Are you on the hunt for something fun and different at Christmas time to do with your children for homeschool and still feel like you're getting some school work done? Stay tuned, you might have a chance to win a really awesome unit. Hi, welcome to Schulte Sweetie's Homeschool YouTube channel. My name is Stephanie and I'm a mom of 3 girls ages 13, 9, and 7. We've been homeschooling for 8 years. And I will tell you, science has been the hardest thing to figure out. I don't know if anybody else is like that, but we have had such a hard time. I thought I had it all figured out with some free products this year, and just nothing has worked out. So on a whim, I was watching Nikki at Homeschoolology's YouTube video. I will link her down below. And she has talked about science chunks. So I was like thinking about it. I'm like, let's just try it. And so I went and looked on Elemental Science website, and they have so many options, very low cost for these little unit studies. And I just let my little two, if you didn't know, my oldest is in public school, so she is not joining us this year for homeschooling. I let my little two decide what they wanted to do, and they picked stars. And thankfully, I already had the book for this unit study. It's Glow in the Dark Constellations. It was from Usborne, Paper Pie. And so I already had that book and I was all excited, and I was like, okay, I don't know how this is going to go. It seems like it might not be that exciting, but it was. The lessons are so much fun. They have some hands-on things. We read a few pages about the different constellations in that book. I had some other reference books about stars and things that we would look at. And it was so easy to implement and so much fun. They actually really enjoyed it and told me that they did. So one of the things that we did with this unit is we had the paperwork for creating a lap book. And we've not really done many lap books, and they really enjoyed it. We were able to do the different constellations that come in different seasons. We talked about the 2 bears. We did some vocab. And it was they really enjoyed doing that and figuring that out. And then they got to do some arts and crafts. Sometimes we made constellations with candy. We did all sorts of things. Some of the activities we did not do because we didn't have the resources, or maybe they just weren't turning out well for us, so then we just didn't do them. But I did let them, every time we did a lesson, they did a constellation on one of these pages with toothpicks. So these are just some of the examples. They didn't do all of the constellations, but just one that they wanted to pick. And it was so much fun. So I definitely recommend going and checking out Elemental Science for their different units and stuff. And they also have some different science besides these science chunks that I just talked about. They have sassafras science related with them, and there's some other sciences in there. I can just only talk about science chunks because that is all what we've used, but you have a chance to win something awesome. When I contacted Elemental Science about my giveaways that I'm doing, I told them, I was like, we really enjoyed your unit. I didn't know if you're interested in joining in this giveaway, and they said yes. And they wanted to give away these 25 activities for Christmas science. You get the PDF version. Whoever is the giveaway winner will get the PDF version of this and access to videos. This is such a great resource. We started this today and it has been really fun. So there's 25. So this could easily be started in early December, and you could do 1 or 2 a day and have it done before Christmas if you wanted to. So the beginning part is mainly some crafts. Well, they're experiments, but also kind of a little bit crafty, some of them. This is a gingerbread engineering. So there's some fun little things. My crafty girls, they love experiments too. So there's different ornament physics, newspaper tree, woolen mittens, underwater candle magic. There was one in here, it was Lego build, and they were all about that. They were so excited. And then toward the back, there are some pages for winter nature studies. So there's cardinal, holly, snow. And then in the very, very back, there's a whole list of a master supply list. And then you got some templates in the back here to do some of those experiment crafty things in here. So here are some of the templates. So you have access to this if you are the giveaway winner, and the videos. The videos were just a few minutes long and like went through each of the experiments, and they were great. It was like, oh, hold your hand, walk through it with me video. So definitely go check out the link. I'm going to link it all down below. If you are not the winner, you can still go purchase it. It is not very costly. It's like $10. So you could add this on and like get some science in as well. If you were doing like another unit study about like different holidays, winter holidays, or like the biblical Christmas or something like that. If you wanted to do like holidays around the world and still do something like this, it would be so easy to implement, and then you would feel like more well-rounded for Christmas when we are all like just kind of running around with our head cut off kind of thing. So definitely go check out this link down below. And if you want to enter this giveaway to win this for Christmas time, you can like my channel, you like this video, and then comment down below with what different thing you would like to study, nature study at winter time. Like, I mean, they said snow, cardinals. What kind of winter object or thing nature-wise would you study for like a nature study at Christmas winter time? So comment down below with that answer. And today is Friday, November 22nd, and I'm going to give you the whole weekend until Monday noon on November 25th to comment, and I will pick a winner and let you know underneath your comment if you have won this. Thanks for joining me today. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will talk to you later.